Hello friends, welcome to our product review channel. Electric Octopus Scalp Massager Hands-Free Therapeutic Head Scratcher Relief Hair Stimulation Rechargeable Stress Relief. Our product is a good electricity and a high flexibility, which has a 12 3D massage arm. It is convenient to massage your head and remove stress. In the afternoon, massage your knee to relax your body. Before going to bed, massage your head to help you sleep. Massage 10 minutes a day. It is a very easy to use this product. It has only one key. The key is a for on, off and two gears. The first time you press the key, you will start the product. The second time you press the key, you can choose different gears. This is a two gears in a total. Usage and function. Massage touch will help to relax the occupation on it. Perfectly fit the curve of head. It has a USB charging port and 4 red LED lights. No need to use any battery. When you press the on off key and start the product, the 4 red LED lights will be on. If you want to buy this product, link available in description. Thanks for watching.